Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to another video. So, in this video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing of my new Dynomax Race Bullet um resonator, specifically the 24236 model. Um, so for the sake of this video, I already popped the side. It comes with that annoying copper staple. So just to save some time. So this resonator, it's a lot bigger than the boiler resonator that I already have on my car. I got 3 of those on my car. One in the front by the high flow catalytic converter, and then the 2 in the rear. One on the passenger side, exhaust exit, and the other one on the driver's side. Um Now, in case you guys been following my channel and wondering why did I purchase another resonator, is because now that my full custom wide open boiler exhaust 2.5 inch, it's wide open now that the 2 factory catalytic converters are gone, and I replaced it with 1 single high flow catalytic converter. My car is loud as shit. Like during mild to heavy acceleration, my car is really loud. The resonators are not doing anything for my car. Like if the car is at idle, it sounds really good. If you're revving, sounds really good. Where I live at, where it echoes, it also got an annoying tone to it when it's getting ready to switch gears and all that. But this is supposed to fix the problem. So the difference between the boiler one and this one, the Dynomax, this one's lightweight, compact design. It's, even though it's longer, it's slightly bigger than the boiler. It also, this one, well, the boiler is just a straight through resonator design. It kinda helps with the tone, which I could tell before I replaced it with a high flow catalytic converter. But now that I got a high flow catalytic converter, my car it's loud. Like the boiler resonators ain't doing anything for my car no more. So the custom exhaust shop that I go to, was he told me about this. This does the same thing the boiler does, but this is guaranteed to provide up to 4 decibel sound reduction, but I'll be able to keep the deep tone that my exhaust already has, and that's perfect. And this is a lot cheaper than the boiler. The boiler was $103 each, and this one being a whole lot longer, and this one actually guarantees up to 4 decibel sound reduction for what I paid $56 for this, free shipping, and that's after taxes. This one contains CR technology, like a which is responsible for providing that sound reduction. So as you can see on the packaging, plain as hell, nothing on the packaging. And they got the little camera focuser. All right, there you go. So it's the Race Bullet series. Like I said, 2.5 inlet and outlet diameter. And all right, so it's either a typo on their website or it's a typo on this. On the website, it says the overall length is supposed to be 24.5 inches. But according to this packaging's, well, label, it says it's only 23 and 1/4 overall length. So I don't know. I don't have a measuring tape. My kids broke that, so I can't measure it. So just know it's anywhere between what the website say, 24 and a half, to what this label says on here. Anything else in here? Yeah. Alright, so you got a little envelope. Let's see what's in here. It's probably... Oh, it's a decal. Get a single decal. Alright, so here's the race bullet by Dynomax. So overall length, according to the website, from here to here is 24 and a half inches. But on the box, the label is saying this is 23 and 1/4 overall length. So I don't know which one's true. I don't got a measuring tape, so I can't sit there and measure and see which exact length it is. But just know it's between those two overall length dimensions that they're giving. But this from here to here is 18 inches. And the difference between the boiler that I have in my car and this one, the boiler is 10 inches, the body length. And this one on the Dynomax is 18 inches. And this is half an inch taller than the boiler. The boiler is 3.5 inches tall. This is 4 inches tall. The boiler, now that resonator is straight through. It helps a little bit with the sound. But this one is guaranteed to it's guaranteed a sound reduction up to 4 decibels in most applications. I only purchased one because I only want to replace the one that's after the high flow catalytic converter. Now, this is getting installed early tomorrow morning. And before I get this installed, I'm going to do a short video of me doing mild to heavy acceleration. That way you can see how loud my car gets and the tone, a certain annoying tone during that mild to heavy acceleration. And where I live at, with it echoing off the trees and everything else, makes it even worse. So, and then once I get this installed, I'm gonna do another video doing the same exact thing, mild to heavy acceleration, and see the difference and see how much this helped. It's guaranteed, and it got lifetime warranty, so that's a plus too. Boiler has 1 million mile warranty on their products, so pretty much the same thing as long as you own the vehicle and all that, because you know it got the catches and all that. But stay tuned. I got a lot more stuff I'm gonna be doing. I got, just as a spoiler alert, I also got the weapon or dragon intake installed on the car now. I installed that yesterday. This came in yesterday too. I got an upgraded throttle body that's coming in. I just cleared customs in New York yesterday, and it just left New York this afternoon. So I think tomorrow, same day I'm getting this installed, it'll be coming in the mail. Or if not, it'll be coming in Wednesday. It's a whole lot bigger than the factory. throttle body. It's 60 millimeters. Um, I know you could do a throttle body swap from the Corolla with the 1ZZ engine or something like that. But I also got the 60 millimeter throttle body, but it's made specifically for the Yaris. So it's similar, but it's made specifically for the Yaris. So there's a company I ordered it from, but they located in Malaysia, same place I got my custom body kit. If you go to my '08 Yaris videos, you see that body kit that's on there. I already got some of that reinstalled. Well, I repurchased it for my own '09 Yaris. If you watch the videos, you'll see some of it on there. It's also coming from Malaysia. Over there, though, the Yaris. Well, I don't know why I keep saying Yaris. Yaris is only called in North America and I believe Canada. But other than that, overseas it's called Vios. That's what the Yaris is called. And overseas, that car is famous for racing. So there's a lot of companies out there that that specifically modify the 1NZ engine, like and automatic and all that. But I'll leave that for another video and all that. But thanks you guys for watching and everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and everything. And let's keep this channel going. Um, but that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Peace.